So to get going on the ball bouncing, what we're going to do is we're just going to clear all these keyframes with my mouse over the graph editor here. I'm going to hit A and then X and then delete keyframes to clear that out. And then I'll just go ahead and zero this out, and then we'll just do 1 on the Z axis. And then what we'll do is we'll just go to frame 0. I'll just keyframe it there, I location, and then we'll go to frame 20 and do the same thing, I location, and then we'll go to frame 10. And then we'll go ahead and lift this up like this, something like that. I'm just going to do a value of 4 to make it exact, and then we'll just do I for insert keyframe and then location. And then to be able to loop this, what we're going to do is just start frame will just be 0, and then end frame will be 20. And we'll just go ahead and hit our home key to zoom in on that, and then we'll just hit play. So now this is a classic animation cycle, right? And the problem with this though is that it's of course, coming to a slow stop when it hits the ground. So we need to fix that. So what we're going to do here is select our keyframes over here, and we're going to right click and then go to handle. Then we're going to set this to free. And then we're simply going to move this up like this, so that's going to be a hard, sharp hit whenever it hits the ground. So it goes right back up. And you can see here, there's going to be a 1 frame lag right now because we're hitting this as 0 and then we're hitting it again. So essentially we need to get rid of that last frame. So what we'll do is we'll actually start the frame at 1. So there's no actual duplicates in terms of frames here. So that's going to look a little bit better. Great. And then we'll work on this squash next.